Hey, welcome back. This week's video is how to make malteaser brownies. Let's get started. First, melt the butter in a large bowl. And then add the chocolate chips and set that aside for a few minutes to melt, and then stir through. Then stir in the egg and vanilla. And then add the sugar and mix well. Lastly, sift in the flour, cocoa, malt powder and salt. And you can use malt milkshake syrup instead if that's what you can find. Just add a little extra flour to make sure it's not too runny. Then stir until just combined. You don't want to overmix it. And then pour into a lined and greased brownie tin and bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And then while the brownie is cooling down, make some fudgy malt frosting. Add milk to a bowl and then add some malt powder and mix well. Lastly, add in the icing sugar and mix until smooth. And if you need to, add a tiny bit more icing sugar or a tiny bit more milk just to make it the right consistency. And then spread over the top of the brownie. Finally, add some maltesers to the top. I used whole ones and crushed them up as well. And that's it. Just dig in and enjoy. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my brownie playlist for all my brownie videos. See you next week.